baklava tastes delicious. Some even have a peanut. My favorite. What? Hold on. Who is he looking at? No one's there.
Of course no one's there. We're all here.
Mutlu was going to say something, but we didn't want him to interrupt.
Of course. Older people talk first, don't they? Do you want something, Mr. Kenan?
That's a bee.
The bees will come, of course. We have some delicious baklava with us. Of course. Where did all those old holidays go? Nothing is as it used to be. Neither the holidays, nor us, and these places.
You're right. That's so right.
Oh. It's so strange, isn't it? This chair's creaking suddenly stopped.
I guess good things like to happen on our holiday.
You're right. Really good things are happening on this holiday.
Okay, guys. Let's make a holiday memory we can all remember together.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie,